Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to start dropshipping business step by step. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Dropshipping is a popular e-commerce model that allows you to sell products online without inventory or shipping hassles. In this tutorial, we'll cover the essential steps such as selecting a niche, finding reliable suppliers, setting up an online store, and marketing your products. So, let's get started. Now, the platform that we are going to be using today is called Shopify. Shopify is one of the most leading platforms that handles dropshipping business. Now, the first thing you're going to do is, of course, create an account in Shopify. We're going to be using Shopify instead of directly using Printify or Printful because with Shopify, you will be able to create your own store and also connect to those platforms. So you don't need to worry and you will be able to use your different dropshipping platforms that you would like to use as well. So the first thing you're going to do is, of course, create an account in Shopify. After creating an account, you will be able to be redirected to this page over here. This is the home page of Shopify. Now, what you're going to do next is you're going to click on apps over here. You're going to click on add apps. And in this section, you will be able to see all the different apps available in Shopify. We're going to click on Shopify App Store. Now for today's video, we will be using this dropshipping platform called Printify. So we will simply search Printify into a search bar over here, Printify. If ever you do want to use other platforms such as Printful or Alibaba, there will be specific applications in Shopify for you to download and install so that you will be able to connect to those platforms as well. As you can see here, we have Printify. We're going to click this and we're going to wait. We're going to click on add app. And by doing this, we will be able to connect our Printify account, if you have an account, with your Shopify account over here. So whatever product we create in Printify, you will be able to sell it on your Shopify store over here. So we're going to wait for it. As you can see here, we're simply going to install app. Just like that, and we will be able to successfully install Printify into our Shopify store. I'm going to wait for it. As you can see here, it's currently loading, and you're simply going to click on open full site over here, and we will be able to open our printify.com over here and click on my store to see if we are currently logged in, to make sure that we are logged in. Right now we're not logged in, so you could either create your account by clicking on sign up over here or sign in if you already have an account. Now over here, we're going to go back to our Printify. I have now started my account over here. I have successfully logged in. Now under Printify, you will be able to create dropshipping products using these different products over here. You could sell products from t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, long sleeve, different types of products or clothing. You could create designs for men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing, accessories, and home living over here. You can simply choose any of the products that you would like to sell into your Shopify store. Using Printify, you will be able to choose and use your designs that you created to sell in Shopify. If you don't want to do the Printify method or create a design for yourself, you could do the same thing where you click on add apps over here. You could add apps such as Alibaba, and you will be able to import products from Alibaba or even AliExpress into your Shopify store. But for now, we're going to stick with Printify and we're going to select a product that we would like to sell. For example, we would like to sell some hoodies. We're going to click on hoodies, and over here you will be able to see all the different products of hoodies over here. When you hover over the different photos, you will be able to see the size of the design over here where you will be able to put in your design. So we could choose from the design that could print the most design for us. As you can see here, we have a full design over here. So we're going to click that and you will be able to see product description of the specific product over here. You can click on read more and you will be able to see the key features of the specific product that you have selected. As you can see here also, you will be able to see the print providers that we have in this section. We're going to click on start designing. Usually there are more print providers depending on the popularity of the product. But for us right now, we're going to go with this one over here. As you can see here, this is our design. We have our front side, back side, right sleeve, left sleeve, and all of these different options over here. There are a lot of options because this company or this print providers allows us to print or have the design all over our products. So some products only offers a design for the front side and the back side, but not the all section. But for this one, we will be able to design the entire thing. Now, we're not really going to design or create a design for all this section over here, but we're just going to demonstrate how we could create a design with the front side over here. You could upload designs from your devices, add custom text, add from Shutterstock, add Dropbox or Google Drive over here, or you could hire a professional designer on Fiverr. You could also add photos from your library over here, pre-existing designs that you have created before. You will be able to see them over here. We're going to use this later on as a design for us. And over here on templates, you will be able to see our templates and graphics over here. You could use different elements to build up your design and make very creative designs for you to sell in your Shopify store. Now, although this is a very good designer or a builder for your design, I suggest that you use Canva instead because it has a lot more potential and have more things that you could use to create a design. Now, for now, we're going to select our designs from here. We're going to simply click on the specific design and it will appear on our page over here. As you can see here, we have our design in this section. You can delete this one because we accidentally duplicated and just like that. Now we can enlarge in this just like that. Now we have our very simple design in our page over here. The design that you would like to add is not limited. You could do whatever design that you would like. It depends on you or what you have. Now for now, we're going to settle with this. You could do any of this size if you want. But for now, we're going to go with this. You could also click on sizes over here if you would like your product to be available on all of the sizes over here. You can also change the color over here by doing this and this. And for now, we're going to click on Save Product. And over here, we will be able to choose and see different mockups for our product. As you can see here, we have this mockup over here, and this mockup over here. You could also edit your product description, such as title, description. You could also edit your pricing for your variants over here. You have all of these different variants. You could edit them. And over here on Publish Setting, you can simply click on Connect a Store. And you're going to click on your Shopify store over here. And we could go back to our product over here. Click on My Product. And we have this. Let's see if it's published. And scrolling down, as you can see here, we have our publishing setting. It's different now. We can see variant visibility, sync product details, all of this information, and Shopify categories over here. Now, when you go back to your Shopify, click on Refresh. Click on the products after this finish refreshing. Now, it seems that we made a mistake with our creation earlier. Don't worry, the same thing we did earlier is the same thing. It's the same process, but we were unable to connect our store with our Shopify store from earlier, so our product was not available once again, but we're going to do this once again very quickly. Simply going to do this, start design. As you can see here, this is a product that I have just created for a short time. I just rushed this in this section. It's the same process, so don't worry, but you will be able to see your product in this section over here, which would have been similar or the same thing as what we did earlier with our hoodie. And that's it, guys. You will be able to sell and start your dropshipping business by connecting your applications or platform with Shopify. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.